Everybody, this is Mr. Fox here, Owen Fox, coming at you from the Raw Foodist, fruity, paradigm, dogmatic, religious, fruitarian lifestyle. I'm just kidding. And here I do cooked vegan too, and I do raw and fruit. So here's the Durians in the Asian supermarket in Dublin. Lots of lovely Asian stuff here, young coconuts, but this is what I'm interested in, and some lovely mangoes. So I just thought I'd say join me on Facebook. Here's some lovely Alfonsos, I love them. And Cassar, my favourite, but they don't really have any Cassar here in this shop. But yeah, just highly recommend getting healthy, getting fit, getting well rested. These are Alfonsos. Yeah, Alfonsos. The yellow ones look pretty good. So lots of love, everybody. Have a beautiful day, and join me for a fruit feast challenge, focusing hugely, if not predominantly or only, even on fruits. Put that there on Facebook. I do many days on and off, and my health has just been improving. I'm 36. I don't have any grey hairs. Basically speaking, I saw one or two few, like hardly any, zero almost, like 8 months ago. But since then, I haven't seen any more. Vibrant, getting healthier, recovering. Well, more than recovering. I used to be wrecked. Now I'm strong, fit, vibrant, energetic, fast recovery, enjoying life, body, mind, spirit, holistic living. So yeah, if you haven't already, check out my herb store already for Rejuvenate formula for adrenals and hormones and fast recovery, including for like stuff for your hair too, which is Hoshui, which is in the Rejuvenate formula. Lots of stuff for energy and recovery power there. So yeah, enjoy the gifts of God, source, life, infinite intelligence, higher minds, great spirit, whatever you want to call it. There's no one word. The word isn't it, the Tao, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, don't forget to befriend me, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button below, and have a beautiful day. Life's short, so don't waste it. If you do, I'll come after and get you. See you everybody, lots of love, take care, thanks. Any questions or comments, welcome. Just leave them below.